Hello guys, so welcome back. In this video, let's have a look on the insert point and the slice mesh tool of the ZModeler brush. So ZModeler brush can be seen here in the brushes. You can select that by shortcut B, Z and M. And then you got the polygons, the edges and the points on the polygon model. So hover the cursor on any of the component here and then right click or hit space bar to get this menu where you could able to find out the polygon actions and the targets. So I select the insert point polygon action and then just click over the face there. Then you should be able to see the result. All the vertex points or the points on the corner of the face are merged into the center, forming a new vertex there. And this is like poke face tool in Maya software. Okay, you have another tool which is the slice mesh tool. So I need to just click and drag and then you get the slicing here. And then to connect this one, I'm coming from the opposite direction and then just clicking there, and then you should be able to see that connection happens there. So once that is done, I can generally drag it and then lead it to this particular point, and then you should be able to see these lines. If you can just go closer to the details here, you have the slice mesh applied to the poly, but the result is either creased edge or no crease edge or do not crease. So if I choose the do not crease and then just click and drag, then you should be able to see you get only one line here. Okay. On this side you should be able to see the crease lines, and here you don't see any crease lines. So this is the major difference between these two options in the slice mesh tool. Guys, I hope you like the video. You can leave a comment in the comment section related any queries you have about this video. I request you to subscribe my channel and hit a like button to support my channel. Thank you.